The contentious Supreme Court hearing featuring Christine Blasey Ford overwhelmed the National Sexual Assault Hotline. It fielded more than 3,000 calls Friday. That is a 738% increase. It was the busiest day in the hotline's history. More than 25,000 people called in September alone. Survivors are not only seeking help, they're also speaking with the collective fury that's rarely been seen before.
Look at me and tell me that it doesn't matter what happened to me.
This may have been a turning point for Senator Jeff Flake, the moment two sexual assault survivors cornered him in an elevator Friday.
Do you think that he's telling the truth to the country?
Hours later, the Arizona Republican broke ranks and called for an FBI investigation into sexual assault allegations against Supreme Court nominee Brett Kavanaugh.
No means no!
Challenging victims to blame their attackers directly, White House counselor Kellyanne Conway revealed Sunday she, too, is a survivor.
I feel very empathetic, frankly, for victims of sexual assault and sexual harassment and rape. That I'm a victim of sexual assault. I don't expect Judge Kavanaugh or Jake Tapper or Jeff Flake or anybody to be held responsible for that.
Since Dr. Christine Blasey Ford's Senate testimony Thursday, a record number of callers have flooded the National Sexual Assault Hotline.
It's common whenever there's a sexual assault story in the news that we see an increase in calls to the hotline, but nothing on this scale. And we've heard from so many callers that there's something about having watched Dr. Ford that they identified with.
Well, you don't respect her if you don't try to figure out what actually happened.
Miss Ford was sympathetic and she was sincere.
On Face the Nation, John Dickerson spoke with senators on both sides and noted the change in culture.
It is now the default in America that accusers must be treated seriously and respectfully. Now, only the willfully ignorant don't know why women don't report abuse.